Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and there is a big update coming in. Yesterday itself, as per the reports of some Marathi news channels, former Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis met Narendra Modi and Amit Shah during his visit to Delhi and had a 2 hour long discussion about the current political scenario in Maharashtra. One thing is sure, that the government of Maharashtra is about to fall. It is on numbering days. The Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray's political career is being brought to an end. The only question is, who is going to end it? Mr. Sharad Pawar or Narendra Modi, or both? When Uddhav Thackeray visited Delhi and met the Prime Minister, he had a private discussion with the Prime Minister, and according to many senior journalists, he told Narendra Modi that if Sharad Pawar betrays, the BJP should support the Shiv Sena and save Uddhav Thackeray. Just a few days ago, Sharad Pawar was at his party's founding day program and stated that Shiv Sena is the most reliable party. He reminded the Shiv Sena how it had kept its word to Indira Gandhi. Sharad Pawar must have understood what must have happened during Uddhav Thackeray's meeting with Narendra Modi. He reminded Shiv Sena its duty, and the reason for this is Sharad Pawar is afraid of Shiv Sena, that Shiv Sena would join hands with the BJP again. But I don't think Narendra Modi would have given any such promise to Uddhav Thackeray during their meeting. But Sharad Pawar is helpless now. We can understand it by his meeting with Amit Shah in Ahmedabad. So, if Pawar wishes to make space for his party by throwing away Shiv Sena, then he has to topple this government. It's a necessity for him, regardless whether it would help BJP or no. And I do think that it was definitely going to happen until Sharad Pawar's misendeavor to meet Prashant Kishore. It has resulted into Modi getting angry at Pawar, and that's why you can see that the investigation agencies have accelerated the investigation. Pawar may pretend that he doesn't care, but he is now scared a lot. That's why he had to declare that the meeting with the opposition leaders was not about forming a third front. It was just a casual meeting. They had to declare it. Pawar might not have declared it, but he declared it through Yashwant Sinha. But Modi has already been hurt by Sharad Pawar because of this meeting. So we can see that for Shiv Sena and NCP, it's fight for their very existence, while the BJP is in a very convenient position. Modi will get rid of Pawar through Anil Deshmukh. If Pawar keeps annoying Modi, Modi will fix Shiv Sena through Anil Parab, Pratap Sarnaik, Sachin Waze, Parambir Singh and Pradeep Sharma. Rest is the Congress party. So let me tell you, in Maharashtra, Congress party is alive just because of Sharad Pawar. When Sharad Pawar is fixed, the Congress will automatically diminish. The remaining party will be destroyed by the star pracharak of BJP, Rahul Gandhi. So let's conclude it here. Like, share the video if you loved it. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.